more than 70 years, Texans Credit Union has remained committed to supporting the financial well-being of our members, and 2025 was no exception. Our dedication to improving lives and strengthening our communities continues to define who we are today, while inspiring innovation that drives us towards the future. This unwavering focus has led to a year filled with meaningful progress and growth across every part of the credit union. Here at Texans Credit Union, our mission is to enrich the lives of Texans by making membership mean more. As we reflect on 2025, it's clear this year was defined by momentum and meaningful progress. We leaned into innovation, deepened the roots in our communities, and reimagined what it means to serve you, our members. In 2025, our membership increased by 7.5%, bringing our total members to over 140,000 Texans, reflecting the trust and loyalty of our community. This growth is also a testament to the value we provide, not just through competitive rates and dividends, but through our unwavering dedication to personalized service. Last year, our loan portfolio grew by almost 9%, reaching a total of $1.7 billion. Thank you for continuing to choose Texans as your trusted lending partner. Something I'm very proud of this year is that we launched a first-time home buyer program. With 3 distinct products, new buyers now have expanded options and more personalized support to get them into their first homes. The First-Time Homebuyer Program is a response to a big need in our community during a time when housing affordability is a real issue. We've created new pathways to homeownership and ultimately personal wealth. Another highlight of 2025 was that Texans returned over $30 million in dividends. Our financial strength allows us to give you more in return on your hard-earned dollars. Your success is our success, and this is another example of how we are proud to give more back to you. On a related note, Texans enhanced our performance money market account as well. Last year, we added more tiers and increased the yield across all of those tiers, giving you more opportunities to grow your savings and allowing your money to work harder for you. In 2025, Team Texans contributed more than 1,300 volunteer hours, and we expanded our support to new nonprofit partners. We also joined our members in providing meaningful relief to families affected by the Kerr County floods. With our new Roundup charitable giving feature, members can now support local causes with every purchase, keeping us all connected to the places we call home. Texans remains well capitalized and financially strong, giving us the stability to navigate economic shifts with confidence. Our disciplined approach ensures we are prepared for any challenge that may occur and also capitalize on new opportunities as they arise. This strong capital position allows us to innovate, expand, and enhance member experiences while keeping security and trust at the forefront of every decision that we make. Texans Credit Union remains focused on strategic growth, operational strength, and the long-term health of our organization. We are committed to building a credit union that serves all Texans with excellence. Why, you may ask? Because we give a damn about you. We're trustworthy, friendly, and unmistakably Texan. It's who we are, and we say it loud and proud. If you've ever spotted our new billboards around town, you've seen that pride on display. We've heard from you through stellar online reviews and in-person feedback. You value the excellent service Team Texans provides. And now, that level of service is being recognized nationally by outside sources, including Newsweek and Bauer Financial. These recognitions place us among the strongest and most trusted institutions in the country. As we step into the future, our commitment remains unwavering to serve you with integrity, innovation, and heart. With your continued support, we will embrace new opportunities, adapt to change, and build on the strong foundation we have created together. Thank you for being an essential part of our journey. Your partnership inspires us to reach higher and do more for our communities every day.
As many of you know, the financial industry continues to navigate through an evolving rate environment and tightening liquidity. These shifts impact everything from deposit pricing to loan demand, and they require disciplined financial management. At Texans, we remain intentional on how we respond to making thoughtful decisions to balance growth, member value, and long-term stability of the credit union. I'm pleased to report that Texans' capital position remains strong. Our net worth increased by $24 million to get to $267 million, and our net worth ratio remained steady at 10.84%. This strong capital foundation protects our members and positions the credit union for continued strategic investment. In 2025, total assets grew by $223 million, reaching $2.46 billion at year-end. Member deposits also increased by 9%, bringing total deposits to $2.19 billion. This steady growth reflects increasing member engagement and trust, something Team Texans is deeply grateful for. Loan quality remained healthy throughout the year. Charge-offs ended at 0.35%, and delinquency settled at 0.68%. These figures demonstrate a well-managed loan portfolio and effective risk mitigation strategies. Texans continues to lend responsibly while supporting the borrowing needs of our members. Another thing I'm proud to report is that Texans Credit Union was able to give back 18% more in interest and dividends to members when compared to last year. We provided higher dividends and interest through increased money market rates, competitive certificates of deposit rates, as well as our new checking account that allows members to access a high-yield savings account. Being able to return value directly to you is part of the credit union cooperative spirit and something we are very proud of. Last year, operating expenses totaled $64 million, and the operating expense to asset ratio ended at 2.73%, continuing to outperform industry benchmarks. Texans operates on a more efficient operating expense structure when compared to other credit unions of our size and complexity. This competitive advantage allows us to reinvest into technology, service improvements, and member benefits at a faster pace than the industry. Through disciplined loan and deposit pricing, Texans delivered another solid earnings performance this past year. Our return on average assets ended the year at 1.03%, remaining ahead of the industry averages. Also, Texans' annual net income totaled $24 million, reflecting our commitment to sustainable, member-focused profitability. I'm proud to share that Texans Credit Union remains financially sound and well-positioned for the future. The strength we see today is a direct reflection of you, our members, and the trust you place in us to safeguard your financial well-being. Thank you for choosing Texans and allowing us to serve you. Together, we're shaping a stronger financial future. Here's to continued progress and meaningful growth.
Hello, members, community partners, and Team Texans. As we look back on the year, I'm grateful for the incredible journey we've shared together. Everything we've accomplished is rooted in trust and support you place in Texans Credit Union every day. Thank you for making Texans not just a financial institution, but a community where everyone feels welcome and valued. Giving back is a part of who we are. In 2025, Team Texans volunteered over 1,300 hours to support our local communities. To deepen our Texans Gives Back efforts and expand our impact, we added 3 new nonprofit partners: Patriot Paws, Genesis Women's Shelter, and Love Packs. And together with our members, we donated over $25,000 to the Kerr County Flood Relief Fund, helping families rebuild after the devastating Central Texas floods. This year, we also added a charitable giving option to our debit card with Texans' new Roundup feature that allows members to contribute to their favorite local nonprofit partners with every transaction. To ensure we have the best team members to serve you, we introduced new training programs and strengthened our expertise across the organization. By investing in our people, we're investing in the knowledge and quality of service you've come to rely on every day. Excellence isn't just a goal, it's our standard. And last year, Texans Credit Union was named a DFW Top Workplace by the Dallas Morning News for the 3rd consecutive year, ranking 4th among mid-sized companies. This recognition is a direct reflection of our team's commitment to creating a workplace where people feel supported, empowered, and inspired to do their best work. And this recognition allows us to attract the very best new team members. Another highlight of 2025 was the return of Texans Internship Program. We welcome students from the University of Texas at Dallas and current team members who contributed across the credit union as summer interns. The program was an additional step towards ensuring we are developing talented team members while also investing in our local, highly esteemed university right here in Richardson. Our culture thrives because of the commitment and spirit of the people who serve you every day. During 2025, our team continued to grow, stepping into new roles, earning industry certifications, and expanding their expertise. These efforts ensure that Texans remains a place where our team members can excel and where you receive exceptional service at every touch point. Our traditions at Texans keep us connected. From Hope Kids celebrations to food drives, these moments remind us why we do what we do. Thank you for bringing joy and compassion to every cause. At Texans Credit Union, people always come first: our members, our employees, and our communities. Thank you for your trust and commitment. We're grateful for you and excited for what we'll build in 2026.
I want to begin by expressing my sincere appreciation for your trust and partnership. Serving you each day is an honor, and everything Texans achieved this past year reflects our commitment to making your financial life easier and more rewarding. In 2025, we doubled down on delivering tools that give you more convenience and control. We launched new products and enhanced many of our existing offerings, from checking accounts to cards and saving solutions, all with one goal in mind: helping you manage your money with more ease and confidence. One of Texans' biggest milestones was launching the two-step checking account, designed to help you earn more by linking your checking to a high-yield savings account. Later in the year, we refined the account's qualifications and raised the high-rate savings cap, improvements made directly by our members' feedback. Another improvement to our deposit accounts was the changes we made to the money market account. We are proud that it is now one of the most competitive in the marketplace, with more options for first-time and long-time savers. 2025 was a year full of new technology and personalized services, all to make your experience at Texans reflect your needs. We rolled out a debit card design studio, which allows you to personalize your debit card to reflect your one-of-a-kind style. We love seeing our members' pets and families on their Texans card. Texans also launched our Roundup Save and Give program. Roundup gives you the ability to save incrementally by rounding up transactions to boost your savings, or you can donate the rounded up dollars directly to the charity of your choice. This new service lets Texans partner with you to invest in the causes you care about most. We also introduced real-time payments to help you move money instantly, giving you fast access to your funds whenever you need them. This technology isn't available at all financial institutions, but Texans wants to give you everything you need to manage your finances when and how you need it. To give you even more convenience, we expanded our member service channels with our virtual assistant, Chip, providing fast answers after hours. Another highlight of 2025 was the nearly $800 million in new loans that helped our members reach their goals. We're proud to play a role in helping our members succeed, and we're committed to making every step of the borrowing experience easier and providing the support you need. Texans members also made incredible strides in strengthening their financial health by paying down over $650 million in debt. That's real financial relief that impacts the lives of people we serve. It's a privilege to support our members as they take meaningful steps towards stronger financial foundations and long-term stability. Whether you are buying a home, refinancing an auto loan, or building credit for the first time, our team worked to deliver smoother processes across the board. These improvements help you take meaningful steps towards your financial goals at every stage of life. Now we're entering 2026 with exciting momentum. Our teams are already building new digital enhancements, stronger lending tools, and even more personalized member experiences. We can't wait to share what's next, and we're grateful that you continue to shape our vision for the future, because that's the Texan way. Thank you again for your membership and trust. We look forward to serving you in the year ahead. Stay connected, explore our latest offerings, and let us know how we can continue to make your experience even better. In closing, I would like to thank our members, our board, and every member of Team Texans for your trust and support throughout 2025. Together, we've strengthened our credit union and the communities that we serve. We look forward to continuing to serve you with excellence in the year ahead. It's a great day to be a Texan.